Hello everyone, welcome to Muenled. We are the manufacturer of LED display screen. We specialize in producing and selling LED products. Our products have been sold to more than 110 countries and regions around the world. Our screens have BIAs, CE, FCC, ROHS, and other related certificates. Next, I will introduce our AIRC 3.91 500 by 1000mm LED display screen. First of all, there is a list for the screen. The whole set one screen includes 12 LED cabinets, 2 hang beams. The spare parts are 2 LED modules, 1 power supply, 12 power cables, 12 signal cables, 1 setting card, and 1 video processor. After you receive our products, you can use it directly. Then, the characteristics and the application of our screen. Our screen can be moved, easy to install and to transport. It mainly used in some commercial activities, sports, entertainment, and perform event. Finally, about the product package. The screen is packed in 2 flat cases, which make the transport more convenient and guaranteeing the screen quality and safety. That's all for the introduction of our AIRC 3.91 500 by 1000mm LED display screen. If you need a display screen, welcome to contact us for more information. Thank you.